Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Publix. It is October the 12th, 2022. If you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Please also join me on Instagram and Facebook. There is a printable breakdown in the description box, so you can either print off to take in the store, or you can just pull it up on your phone. So be sure to check that out. Let's get started. We have some really practical deals that we're bringing to you today from Publix. Now, there's not a ton of couponing deals, and everything that you're going to see in this video is going to be a sale or a digital coupon from the Publix website, coupons.com, or also even using rebate apps like IBOTTA. The first thing that I want to bring to you guys are these Driscoll Raspberries. These are 2 for $4.99 or $2.50 each. You do not have to buy 2 packs to get the deal. You can just pick up 1 pack and it'll still be $2.50 for these raspberries. They look pretty good, so I went ahead and picked them up. I was really excited about this Hormel thick cut bacon. It is my favorite kind of bacon. Now, this is $5.99. Bacon is so pricey. These are usually up to $9, $10, $11, but it is discouraging that when I look at the ounces of the bacon, it is significantly smaller than what I've bought in the past. The bacon also is a smaller cut size on the edges, but what are you going to do? That's how they're packaging everything. They're decreasing the packaging size to make you think you're getting a better deal. But this bacon is $5.99, so I'm going ahead and picking this up. No coupons needed on the bacon. Now, I was very upset when I saw this price of these eggs. And usually they'll set these things out, like the eggs or whatever, to show you, oh, it's a good deal. Well, these Publix brand large eggs are priced at $4.99. This is an insane price. I cannot believe that eggs cost this much, but we are in a recession. I did not pick these up, obviously. I've picked up organic brown eggs for cheaper than this using a coupon. So make sure that you are checking the prices on the eggs when you buy them. Just don't pick them up, because $4.99 definitely is not going to go in my cart. Now, the next thing I picked up, I was pretty excited about. These are the potato inspirations in the bag. They all have all different kinds. This one I'm showing you is the fingerling potatoes. They have the small golden ones. They have the red potatoes, all different types. And these are usually $4.99 for this small bag of potatoes. But they are buy one, get one free this week. So it's going to make each bag of potatoes $2.50. This is, of course, a no coupons needed deal. We usually don't get coupons or anything like that on fruits and vegetables or meats. But I went ahead and picked this up to go along with some of the other meals that I'll be making for my family this week. Now, this is a great deal. My daughter actually asked for some Cinnamon Toast Crunch this week because we do not have any. I usually get Cinnamon Toast Crunch at CVS for about $1 or $1.50. And so for this week, this Cinnamon Toast Crunch is usually $4.25 each. So it's going to be about $2.12 each for the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So the total is going to be, when you buy 2 of them, you have to buy 2 for this deal. It's going to be $4.24. We do have a $1 coupon on the Publix app when you buy 2 boxes. And there's also a coupon on coupons.com app that you can use. Then on IBOTTA, you're going to submit this IBOTTA rebate twice, 50 cents on each box, bringing it down, so that'll be $1 in rebates, bringing it down to $2.24, or about $1.12 per box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This bag of frozen shrimp is something I get often if it's on sale. This is the Green Wise extra large shrimp. These are usually $20.99. They are on sale for $14.99. This is great to keep in your freezer for whenever you need a quick meal So I went ahead and picked these up. Beef prices are so high. They used to be the cheapest thing that you could buy, but now they are not. So I actually got some tomato sauce in my last video that I'm going to use to make a meatloaf this week. So I thought, if this is on sale, I'll pick some up, and it was. So the ground chuck is $4.99 a pound. I went ahead and picked up 2 packs of this to make the meatloaf using that tomato sauce that we got on sale last week. So not a great deal, but it is on sale and it's better than nothing. I like to get the Greenwise products, and this Greenwise chicken boneless skinless breast, they are $7.29 a pound, and they are buy one get one free. And when I looked at the package of chicken breast, it was like $14.53. So I was like, oh my gosh, that's so expensive. But then I noticed it was buy one get one free. So the pack of chicken I picked up was actually only $7.27. This is really the only way I can buy chicken meat like this now, if it's buy one get one free, because it is so high. So this ragu is a stock up price. Again, it's a no coupons needed deal. These are $2.40 each, but they're buy one get one free. So each jar of ragu is $1.20. Now with the winter months coming, this is something that I definitely will stock up on when I'm making my different pasta dishes and spaghetti and that sort of thing. So yeah, $1.20 stock up price, no coupons needed on the ragu. Now, this is a freebie, total freebie using the Publix app. This is the Dannon Light and Fit Zero Sugar. These are 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. There is a coupon on the Publix app for a free container of this yogurt. Now, when we get those free coupons like that on the Publix app, make sure that you go ahead and clip them. Even if you don't plan on using them this week, go ahead and clip it, because those tend to disappear quickly if they're not saved on your app. So, yep, free yogurt, $1.50, came totally off. Everything worked fine at the register. So, these Laughing Cow mini Baby Bell cheese snacks, they're usually $4.49. The other ones that are like the regular size Baby Bell snacks are usually about $7 or $8 each. So I would never pay that for the larger ones. But these are $4.49. They're buy one, get one free. So it'll be about $2.25 for these. And I think this is a great price considering we don't have coupons. And as you can see, my store was pretty much wiped out. I had to find this in the way back of the little section there to get some of these mini cheese snacks. So $2.25 each.